Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is poised to redefine the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. Equipped with a groundbreaking 8K resolution sensor, this drone offers a level of detail and clarity that was previously unattainable. This substantial upgrade, coupled with a 48-megapixel main camera sensor, ensures that every shot captured is a masterpiece. The Mavic 4 Pro's camera system surpasses even its highly regarded predecessor, the Mavic 3, solidifying its position as the premier choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. While the Mavic 4 Pro's camera capabilities are undoubtedly impressive, DJI has also focused on other key areas to enhance the overall user experience. Rumors suggest that the drone will feature extended battery life, allowing for longer flight times and more uninterrupted creative sessions. Additionally, advancements in transmission technology are expected to provide improved signal stability and range, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging environments. These enhancements, combined with the drone's compact and portable design, make the Mavic 4 Pro a versatile and convenient tool for a wide range of applications. The Mavic 4 Pro is poised to redefine the landscape of aerial cinematography, offering a level of video quality that surpasses its predecessors. Equipped with the capability to shoot stunning 8K footage at 30 frames per second, this drone delivers exceptional detail and clarity, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes and cinematic scenes. Furthermore, the Mavic 4 Pro's ability to shoot high frame rate 4K video at 120 FPS opens up new possibilities for capturing smooth and dynamic action. This feature is particularly valuable for sports enthusiasts, filmmakers, and anyone seeking to create visually stunning content that demands a high level of detail and fluidity. The Mavic 4 Pro represents a significant upgrade from the Mavic 3, offering a substantial improvement in video quality and performance. Its ability to capture high-resolution footage at various frame rates makes it the go-to choice for content creators and professionals who demand the best in aerial cinematography. In addition to its impressive video capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature an extended battery life of up to 50 minutes. This significant increase over the Mavic 3's 46-minute battery life allows users to capture more footage and explore larger areas without frequent battery swaps. The added flight time provides greater flexibility and productivity, making the Mavic 4 Pro an invaluable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Transmission. The Mavic 4 Pro is set to revolutionize transmission capabilities with DJI's cutting-edge OQCC4 technology, offering an unprecedented transmission range of up to 25 kilometers for 1080p video. This breakthrough advancement enables pilots to soar to new distances while maintaining a robust and stable connection, unlocking unprecedented possibilities for aerial exploration and capture. With OQCC4, users can expect a more reliable and uninterrupted flying experience, perfect for critical applications such as aerial photography, surveying, and inspection. This technology sets a new standard for drone transmission, empowering pilots to push the boundaries of what's possible. DJI's highly anticipated Mavic 4 Pro is expected to land in late 2024 or early 2025. Though pricing remains under wraps, insiders whisper a premium tag exceeding the Mavic 3. Yet, it's likely to compete fiercely with high-end rivals, boasting next-level features that justify the cost. Drone enthusiasts and professionals eagerly wait to experience the cutting-edge advancements rumored for the Mavic 4 Pro, including a superior camera system, longer flight time, and stronger transmission. Buckle up as the wait for this game-changing drone nears its end, promising to revolutionize the industry with unparalleled capabilities.